MPB Communications has been providing optical amplifiers to the terrestrial and the submarine industry since the late 1990s. More recently, the IP infrastructure has expanded into a new territory: space. MPB has developed amplifiers to meet the challenges of this unique environment for optical intersatellite constellations. They need to sustain the shock and vibration of the launch. Proper component selection and screening must be conducted to ensure long-term performance in a radiation environment. They must operate at temperature extremes in an almost perfect vacuum. MPBC designs and manufactures custom amplifiers to meet the specific requirements of our customers' laser communication terminals.
So MPB can provide both 1 micron and 1.5 micron preamplifiers and boosters for space. Or we can provide a compact package that combines both an amplifier and preamplifier. This unit that you see in front of you combines a 2-watt amplifier with a very low noise preamplifier. It's a compact, cost-effective package that was built for one of our key customers in the US. These units can be provided both PM or non-PM, and if you require more power, then we provide up to 10 watts in either a PM or non-PM format.
From sea to space, helping our customers reach their commercial and research goals for over 40 years.